guys, today is our community service. I'm gonna be a nurse in the future, and I'm gonna take care of people when they're sick. I'm gonna work in the clinic or hospital. So if some people sick, they can call me in the hospital or in the clinic in my mom's work. And bye guys. Hi guys, today is our community service. I'm gonna be a nurse in the future, and then I'm gonna take care of people, and then I'm gonna work in the clinic and then in the hospital, and then I'll also take care of people. They will call me, it's too late, and then I will drive an ambulance to their house. Bye guys.
Okay. Wait lang, manima.
Doktor naman na siya. Where's mommy?
Yes, picturean ka mo karon. Okay. Sweetheart, Rian, sit down. Isa ka ba? Everybody smile. Everybody smile. Say cheese. Okay, everybody show us your helping hands. Hands up. Okay. Eyes on us, please.
Smile.
Smile.
Lisa, stand up, Lisa.
Isa there. Okay. Big smiles, everybody. Say cheese. So cute.
Kamu pa yan.
Yes. Oh.
Miss, join na to, Miss.
Medyo. Sila na. Okay.
Miss, join ka sa kilid ng ano.
Stand up ng stand up. Stand up.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera, please. Smile. Alright.
For giving us this place where we can hold our world of work activity. Okay? Thank you. We love you.
Sit down lang.
On your gummy, if you open it right away. Guys, do you want to try the frozen gummies?
Okay, all the doctors. Stand up, all the doctors. Okay, everybody can move back a little. Move back a little. Stand up. Zoe.
Miss Rox, join them.
Okay.
You're like a kid also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Waki. Waki. Babi ako na. Langga, sit down.
Everybody say, I am helping hand.
Thank you. Yay. Okay, who else pa? Did I call everybody?